Alright, so the next view I'm going to talk about is this guy right here, which if we take a look at that, it's the 3D floor plan that I have over here under 3D views. So if I expand my 3D views, go to 3D floor plan, this is it. So basically we're going to go in and do a section box, and let's go to visibility, go to our visibility graphics, and you're going to see the cut pattern and then the lines. And the furniture's half-toned, so there's a few things that are a little different, but not a lot. So if I delete this guy, or actually let's just leave it there, and we'll just go to our 3D view, right, and we'll duplicate that view. Okay, and rename it. And I'll rename this 3D plan SCH, right? And basically what you're going to do is come in, and I'm going to go to the pull down here and go to orient to view. So there's a little flyout here that's orient to view, and you go to floor plans and then top of slab, and it's going to click into that floor plan, and then you can go to any of these 3D views, right, by clicking here. You can pick this section box, pull it down a little further, right, so it's in there. And then start changing some of the settings. So I'm going to come down here, and instead I'm just going to go to hidden line, and let's check and see, sort of flip back and forth. You know, that one's looking down a little bit. It's got a fill for the middle, so if I pull this down, let's go ahead and go to our visibility graphics, and we'll go to all and override, and let's set the pattern to solid fill, and I'll set this to like a blue, gray, and then click OK. Click OK. So now that's filling. See, did we have no shadows? Looks like we have ambient shadows on, so I'm going to go in here and VV. Oh, sorry, not VV, but down here I'm going to go to my graphic display options, and under graphic display I'm going to expand shadows, and I'm going to show ambient shadows, and it's going to look for edges and sort of highlight those edges. I'll click OK. If I go to VV, let's go ahead and go down to the furniture and maybe grayscale that, right? Or let's see, let's go down to the furniture, half-tone the furniture. Yeah, not the floors, but the furniture. So let's half-tone the furniture, right? So that gets a little bit lighter. And I think that's kind of close to what we have. Let me go ahead and hide this guy, which is the section box, right? And then if we flip back and forth between them, you know, they're looking pretty similar. And you can set the scale on this one too, right? I'm going to adjust that, right? And just sort of adjust it to the way that you want it. If you turn on the crop box down here, you can sort of pull that in a little bit more, adjust the scale to make it bigger or smaller. And then you can just go to your sheet and pull it on your sheet, right? So let's go to my plans. If I delete this one, right, then I can go back up to my 3D views and get my plan schematic and drag it on and place it there and move it around, and kind of do the same things that I did before, like turn off that, double click outside, pick this guy, flip it to the gray, move it, you know, wherever I want it, and that's it. Alright, so that's it for the first sheet. I feel like you can do a room area schedule based on the other schedules that I've given you, and we'll go to the second sheet after this one.